Hi, this is Alex. I'm from um, the group of me, Sander, and Terry. We are building the an Foody app, which is a food delivery app. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about the progress of our apps in week 8. What we have been building was um, the backend and the database being hosted on a EC2 instances, and we managed to connect to it through its API. Um, so we've connected the registrations and login page um, to the database. So the registrations would push data, and then the login page would fetch data to validate all the um, all the users' information. As you can see, here's the URI to the API, which pretty much connect us to the database. And then we also build new interfaces for our apps. So we've managed to create a restaurant descriptions. Um, there's As you can see, there's an image and the name of the restaurants here, but um, it would be automatically generated um, as a list of items. So, what were the difficulties that we have during this week? Say, first we have the technical issues. So, Xamarin was using quite tremendous amount of resources. So, one of our group members really has some issues with running simulators on his PCs, and it did crashes a few times. So it takes him like couples of days to delete and reinstall Xamarin, and then also installing the Android SDKs, which required, and then when he tried to use the computer at the lab, there wasn't Xamarin on it, so we were very limited with um, you know platform for development. And then we also been arguing about whether we should create our own APIs and database services for our app. Um, we decided that we can use the APIs and the services from um, third-party providers like Amazon. Mm, say it's not necessarily that we have to create APIs in this project because we can, fetch or consume it from other providers. So next week, what we are implementing is more UIs and more interfaces for displaying restaurant details and food menus, and then also order ma- order histories. Um, and we would like to have some buttons for navigation as well, and also testing the login and the registrations. And then finally, we also have the location service that we want to add into our app. And that's all. Thank you.